Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are fine and safe. So our today's topic is basics of plant physiology. This topic will deal with the basics involved in the plant physiology, which will help you for the agricultural examinations and for the FCI exams, AGM technical also. So, the first point is the theory of evolution was given by Charles Darwin. The photorespiration is the energy spending process. Mass flow is affected by transpiration. Conversion of fat to sugar occurs in glyoxysomes. Photorespiration occurs in chloroplast. Photosynthesis is an oxidation reduction process. Photosystem 2 is absent in C4 plants. Conversion of fat into carbohydrate is in glyoxylate cycle. Precursor of indole acetic acid is tryptophan. Father of plant physiology is Stephen Hales. Cobalt as a constituent of vitamin B12. It is not as, it is. Cobalt is a constituent of vitamin B12. Law of tolerance introduced by Shelford. Glycolysis occurs in the part of cytoplasm. So where does the glycolysis occurs? It occurs in the part of cell cytoplasm. Krebs cycle and the ETC occurs in the mitochondria. So glycolysis occurs in the part of cell cytoplasm and Krebs cycle and ETC occurs in mitochondria. Final product of glycolysis, which occurs in the part of cell cytoplasm, is pyruvate. Light or the Hill reaction takes place in grana of chloroplast. Dark reaction or Calvin cycle takes place in stroma of chloroplast. Most of abundant protein in the world is rubisco. Most abundant protein in the world is rubisco. This is very important question. All the questions are important regarding the FCI AGM technical exam 2021, but this is the most important question. One molecule of glucose produces 686 kilocalorie. Highest water use efficiency order is CAM greater than C4, then C4 greater than C3. So this is the efficiency water use efficiency order. CAM C4 C3. Kranz type leaf anatomy is found in what type of plants? So it is found in C4 plants. Calvin cycle and Hatch-Slack occurs in chloroplast. What else was occurring in chloroplast? Is the glycolysis. It occurs, the light or the Hill reaction. It takes place in the grana of chloroplast. And the Calvin cycle and the Hatch-Slack occurs in the chloroplast. So what things happens in the chloroplast? The light or the also called as Hill reaction in the grana of chloroplast. Not but in a particular place in chloroplast, which is grana, and the Calvin cycle and the Hatch-Slack occurs in the chloroplast. Now photosynthetic rate highest in which type of plants? So C4 plants. Kranz type of leaf anatomy is found in C4 plants. Photosynthesis rate highest in C4 plants. Then glucose is a type of sugar. What type of sugar? So monosaccharide. Sugar which is sweetest among all sugars is the fructose. So friends, you can comment in the comment section below. One question is there that where the fructose is found in the food items. Where? What type of food items? Examples of disaccharides are maltose, lactose and sucrose. Non-reducing sugar is sucrose. Sugar found in germinating seeds. Sugar found in germinating seeds are maltose. Lactose, that is the milk sugar is named as lactose, is a combination of what? It is a combination of glucose plus galactose. Term protein was coined by whom at which year? So by Mulder in 1840. Term enzyme was coined by whom? Lock and key model was proposed by whom? by Fisher. This is the model of the enzyme model. Might be you are aware of this. Term vitamin was proposed by Funk. Bond that joins the amino acid, this is not joins, this is joins the amino acid, is the carboxyl. The Kranz anatomy was shown by which group of plants? This question is repeated, friends. This is the C4 plants. So thank you for today. The you in the next video you will get this type of important questions for the FCI AGM technical exam 2021 and for the other agricultural examinations from the book Name Raj Sunda and from many other books like special standard books which should be read for this type of examinations like FCI and agriculture examinations, like Arun Katyan is there and many books are there. You can check to the previous videos of this channel where you can get the books which you can study for the agriculture competitive examinations. Many other books are also there. If you want the new topics to be conducted in this YouTube channel, then you can comment in the comment section below. So thank you, stay tuned.